Hey y'all, it's Shelly, and if you want a little more privacy outside, especially like on your deck or on your front porch, this VEVOR wooden screen is a great option. VEVOR did send it over to us and compensate us for this video, but this thing is 36 inches wide and 73 inches tall, so it's perfect for blocking out views on patios, balconies, or even in the garden. It's made of solid wood with stainless steel bolts, so it holds up well even if it's left outside for a while, or you can even paint it your favorite color to protect it even more. Plus, it's got a nice natural look that blends in with pretty much any setup. There are a couple ways to install it or set it up. You can stand it on the ground with the supports that it comes with, or bolt it down if you want something more permanent. It's super sturdy either way and comes with all the pieces and parts that you need to set it up the way that you want. A lot of people have talked about how it was really hard to assemble and put together, but really it's just time consuming. Put each slat into one side and then slowly and steadily put them into the other support. And then once you have all the slats put in, then you screw it together and you can prop it up on one side to screw in the other side. But this VEVOR wooden privacy screen is just a nice way to get a little extra privacy without making your space feel closed off or spending a fortune to do it. And I really hope this video helps.